How to record and add a voiceover in CapCut. If you want to record and add your own voiceover to a video, this video will show you how to do it in CapCut. First, open CapCut and create a new project, or open the project you want to add voiceover to. To record a voiceover, click the Record button below the preview window. This will open the recording settings, where you can select your preferred microphone and adjust the recording options. You can also enable echo reduction to reduce unwanted echo from your speakers. If you don't want the original audio playing while you record, enable Mute Project. Once everything is ready, click the red Record button. CapCut will start a countdown, and you can begin recording your voiceover. When you're finished, click End Recording. Your voice recording will now appear on the timeline as an audio track. If you make a mistake, simply move the playhead to that section and use the split tool to cut out the unwanted part. That's how you can record and add a voiceover in CapCut. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.